Okay, see question number 29. Let a is greater than 0 be a root of 2x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, greater than 0, that means two roots will come. Which is positive root, that you have to take as a. Limit extends to 1 by a. 1 by a. 16 times 1 minus cos of 2 plus x minus 2x square by 1 minus ax whole square. This value, limit value, alpha plus beta square root of 17. Alpha plus beta into root 17. Where alpha beta belongs to z. That means what we can say, integers. Alpha plus beta value is how much like they are asking. See, this is not an easy question, complex question. I can say advanced level question. Okay. Observe how we are going to solve this. Okay. First of all, let me solve this. 2x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into c is minus by 2a, 2 into 2, that is equal to c, 8, 16, 17, root 17, minus 1 plus or minus root 17 by 4. But because a is greater than 0, now we can take a as root 17 plus 1, minus 1 by 4. Understand? Why? Because the minus 1 minus root 17, if you take a is less than 0, but a is greater than 0, clearly they have told. See, this is a value. Shall I find a square also, or else let me find afterwards? Okay, it is not a problem. Okay, now we have found just a, but see how I am converting this. 16 I am taking outside, limit extends to 1 by a, 1 minus cos of 2 plus x minus 2x square by 2 plus x minus 2x square whole square into 2 plus x minus 2x square whole square by 1 minus ax whole square. Now you see 1 minus cos and this already there. These two I have taken. Why? Because see, we know one formula. What is that formula? 1 minus cos x by x square is equal to 1 by 2. This value is going to become 1 by 2. Why? Because if you differentiate, minus of minus plus sin x will come. This is 2x going to become x square. 2 you take outside, 1 by 2 it is going to become sin x by x 1. That means 1 by 2 going to come. 1 by 2 means 16 by 2 it is going to come and remaining here. That means see 16 by 2 limit extends to 1 by a. Now this will not be there, only shall I write 2x square minus x minus 2 whole square. Okay, 2x square. Okay, why? Because see anyway you are making square. Divided by this we can write 1 minus ax whole square. Okay, is it okay? Okay, now see what I want to take, rather than x tends to 1 by a, I want to take say t tends to a and x tends to t tends to a. Okay, t tends to a means x tends to limit t tends to a. See, x is equal to 1 by t. I am taking x is equal to 1 by t. When a is equal to t, x is equal to 1 by t. Then automatically limit t tends to a. T tends to a means we are avoiding 1 by a. Okay. Now see, go there. Why? Because see in x place 1 by 2 you have to write. That means see, shall I write like this? Implies 8 is there, limit t tends to a 2 by t square. Why? Because see x square means 1 by t square. That is why 2 by t square minus 1 by t minus 2 whole square divided by 1 minus a by t whole square. Why? Because the x means 1 by t I am taking. Okay. Now t tends to a directly I am writing. See, first of all, you what we can say, make this properly. See what I want to say. 8 limit extends to t tends to a. T square I am taking common LCM. This is 2 only, minus t times minus t minus 1 t square times. Okay, this is square and this is also square. Denominator t minus a whole square by t square. Okay, see t square, 1 square going to get away. Okay, now how I am modifying that also, you observe carefully. 8 times limit t tends to a. Okay, shall I change this as what we can say, t square plus t minus 2 whole square by, see this denominator is not there, directly I can write t square into t minus a whole square. Do you accept this? Okay, now see, a plus b minus c whole square you completely do, a minus b whole square also you do, afterwards you multiply. Why? Because that is required. 8 times limit t tends to a. See, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square minus plus 2ab minus 2bc. Why? Because minus is there, minus 2ac. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2t cube 2ab okay plus 2ab minus 2bc, 2 into 2 4 minus 4t minus 2ca minus 4t square. Have you done any mistake? Why? Because see, if any mistake is there, again you have to come back. That headache should not be there for us. Two x square and these two are minus I am taking. Okay, and x means 1 by t square, 1 by t minus 2. Okay, 2 minus t minus t square. T square means 2, t means only t times, it goes minus t and minus, here minus 2t square. See, this is minus 2. 1 t square times t square into 2, 2t square. Here we have done mistake. That is why I am sensing some problem. Okay, minus 2t square. Minus 2t square means here also, if I convert this, why? Because anyway square, that is why I can convert this like this. Okay, 2t square. If it is 2t square means it is going to change. Okay, now remaining all okay. Okay, a square 4t to the power of 4, b square t square. Okay, c square plus 4 plus 2 into 2 4t cube plus 4t cube plus 2ab minus 2bc, 2 into 2 4 minus 4t minus 2ac, 2ab 2bc 2ac. 2ac means 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 minus 8 t square. Okay, see this is numerator. What about denominator? Denominator also 2 times you have to do. First you have to do this t square into a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2at. Okay. Now what we can say, solve it properly. Limit x tends to not x tends to t tends to a. Okay, see 4 to the power t to the power of 4 is only one term. Okay, 4 t to the power of 4. T cube is also one term plus 4t cube. T square you see minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 minus 7 t square. Okay, these two over. T minus 4t plus 4. Okay, divided by t square you send inside, t to the power of 4 and 2 minus 2at cube minus 2at cube plus t square a square. Okay, and now you stop. Can you give now a? If you give t a square, a to the power of 4, a to the power of 4, both are going to get cancelled out, but this is not going to get cancelled out. Okay, let me give and see what will happen and all. Okay, that is equal to 8 times 4 a to the power of 4. Okay, and 4a cube minus 7 a square minus 4a. I don't think so. Why? Because see, we have to do why we should not give, I will tell you. See, this only we have expanded, that's all. T if you give, what will happen? A minus a 0, 0 square 0, 0 into something is 0, denominator is 0, that is why don't give now, wait. Numerator also you see, 2t square plus t minus 2 means you go here. 2x square plus x minus 2. This is equal to 0. They have clearly told. In place of x, we are giving a or t. Okay, here. That means see 0 square. 0 by 0 only is coming. That is why we should not give at now. Okay, now we will 0 by 0. L'Hospital rule you go. L'Hospital rule. But keep outside 8. Limit t tends to a. L'Hospital rule means see 16t cube 12t square minus 14t minus 4 divided by 4t cube, see minus 6a square minus 6a t square. Is it okay? 3 into 2, 6a t square. Okay? Here, see 2a square t plus 2a square t. Okay? Even now, we don't give. What I am doing, once again I will do. Okay? Write down. That is equal to 8 limit t tends to ga. Okay, once again if I do, numerator is 48t square plus 24t minus 14 by, why? Because the quadratic we are bringing. Okay, here also 12t square minus 12at plus 2a square. Okay, plus 2a square. Now you see, now you can do. Why? Because see, denominator is not going to become 0. Why? Because see, t in place of t a, if you give 12a square, these two are going to get cancelled out, but here 2a square will be there in denominator. That is why here you don't have any problem. You can apply now. If I apply, what will happen? 8 into, see, 48a square plus 24a minus 14. See, these two are going to become 0. Or else I will write 12a square minus 12a square. Why? Because a into a square plus 2a square. Okay, see, 12a square you cancel out. Okay, now 8 by 2a square, 4a square, 4 by a square, not 4a square. Okay, 8 by 2a square. These two are got cancelled. 8 by 2a square means 2 4 times good. 4 by a square. 4 by a square into 48a square plus 24a minus 14. See, this is your limit value. Now go back. Here you have got a value. A square also you can find. If you substitute here in quadratic equation, you may get a value. You may get a value in terms of alpha plus beta, but that is going to become cumbersome. What I want to say, I am going to remove this question. A value already is there. A value I am writing here once again. Okay. A is equal to root 17 minus 1 by 4. Okay. See, up to blue, red I am removing. I will start this. Why? Because see, we know very well that this 2 square plus x minus 2 is 0. That means see, this also have to bring in that form. Okay. 2x square. Where shall I write that? 2x square plus x minus 2. 2x square plus x minus 2. Here 2x square minus x is there. I don't want it. 2x square plus x minus 2. This is going to become 0. This I want. Okay. I will write here. You see, 2x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. I am boxing it here. Okay. Now see what I must. I think here I have to write in red area. Or else I will write here. You see, 2x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. These two we are going to utilize. Okay, now up to red color I am removing. Okay, you have to get answer 170. Don't forget. We are nearing to answer. No problem. Okay. Okay, now see what if I take something common and I will make it this 2x square plus x minus 2 like, then that is going to become 0. That will be very easy for me. See how I am writing. See, this limit value is this one, 4 by a square into, see, we know that 2x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. See, plus minus is there. See, if I take 24 common, see what will happen. 24 if I take common, what will happen? This one, 2a square plus a minus 14. Do you accept? Okay? Or else I will do one thing. See what I want to say. 48a square plus 24a minus 14 plus 48 minus 48. I have taken like this. Plus 48 minus 48 going to cancel out. The remaining all this equation or expression is intact. Okay, now see if I want to take in this form, 24 if you take common, 2x square will come, minus a will come, but 24 if you take common, here 48, minus 48 should be there. That means see, this minus 48 I want to utilize. This. Remaining 48 minus 14, that means see 48 minus 14 means 34 is going to left. That means see how I am writing. 4 by a square into 48, no 24 I will take common. 24 if I take common, 2 a square plus a minus 2 plus 34. Is it okay? Why? Because 48a square, 24a minus 48. 48a square, 24a minus 48. 48 minus 14, 34. Okay? Now see, this value is 0. The finally 0 into 24 is 0. That means 4 into 34 by a square. 4 into 34 by a square. Okay? Oh, this value is, they have given alpha plus beta into root 17. Okay, they have given like this. Now see how we are going to equate this. Why? Because a square value you have to substitute. Then substitute a square value. A square value we are substituting. You see 4 into 34 by a square means see root 17 minus 1 whole square. Here into 16 I will write. Okay, a square if you make, this is 16. And a square plus b square minus 2 root 17. Okay, that is equal to, see, alpha plus beta into root 17. Afterwards I will write. First let me what we can say, do this. See 18, 4 into 34 into 16 by 18 minus 2 root 17. See, I can take 2 common. If I take 2 common, I will 17. 4 into 17 into 16 by 2 I have taken common. Minus 9 2 root 17 only. That's all. 9 minus root 17. Okay. Now I want to rationalize it. See, 9 plus root 17 by 9 plus root 17, that is equal to this will keep like this only, 64 into 17 into 9 plus root 17 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 81 minus 17. Okay, that is equal to 11 minus 1, 4, 7 minus 1, 6, 64. That means see, 64 is going to come. That means see, 64 going to get cancelled out. 64 into 17 by 64 into 9 plus root 17. 64 going to get cancelled. That means see, your alpha plus b root 17 is equal to 17 into 9 plus 17 root 17. 17 into 9 plus 17 root 17. Okay, see, alpha shall I say 17 into 9, beta is 17. Alpha is equal to 17 into 9, comma, beta is equal to 17. They are asking alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to 17 into 9 plus 17. 17 if I take common, what will happen? 9 plus 1. That is equal to 9, 10 into 17, 170. Okay? 170 will be your answer. Let us go for next question.